How to withdraw from Worldcoin to Bitcoin. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. Worldcoin currently supports on Optimistic Network, and Binance actually supports a deposit of Worldcoin. So for this, what you actually have to do is you can just open up the Worldcoin app and log in into your account. You have to navigate to the section where you can manage your WLD balance, that is your Worldcoin. That will be labeled as a wallet or maybe Worldcoin itself. Look for a send or transfer option. Select the option to send your WLD and choose Optimism at the network. This is very important. In the recipient address, go ahead and paste the WLD deposit address you copied from your Binance earlier. Double check the address. Enter the amount that you want to withdraw, then review the transaction details, including any fees associated with the withdrawal. Confirm the transaction by following the prompt. Usually involves a confirmation button or a pin. And that is how you'll be able to withdraw from Worldcoin to Binance. Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.